IT hardware and service offerings can be complicated, but you don't want your quotes to look complicated. So there's often a need to show an abstracted or simpler item on your quote versus what you'll actually provide if that quote gets accepted. Enter bundles. Bundles allow you to display a single line item that represents multiple line items. So you can have a nice description, a nice image, but then really behind the scenes, what you have is the bundle total that you're displaying to your end customer or prospect, as well as all of the line items that make up that bundle. And this is just an example showing a few line items that might be included in a server build. But the important piece is you don't want to clutter up your quotes with all kinds of details that will confuse and potentially slow down the quote to cash process. What you want is a perfect display of what you're offering that makes sense to your end customer or prospect. But when that quote gets accepted, you know that you need to procure all these different pieces of hardware, or if it's a service quote, you need to offer all these services and get them set up in your contract and your PSA. So that's the high level value of a bundle. Now in Quoter, there are a number of other details about bundles that can be helpful. For one, you can easily control the display settings. You can toggle between showing the bundle only, showing the line items only, or showing bundle and line items. But the most common configuration is showing the bundle only. If you are showing the line items, just like any line item in Quoter, you can provide description, an image, HTML, whatever other details you need here. And of course, you can include your part number for easy procurement and sourcing. Now, if this is a services bundle, you can set the bundle to be recurring. And when it gets accepted, you'll know that you need to provide all of those recurring services for the line items that are included inside the bundle. You can also make your bundles optional. So in this case, you would need to either be showing the bundle total, really the bundle only, or the bundle and the line items. But you can make it optional, default selected, and editable quantity if you want. That means your end customer will have the bundle selected by default, but they could modify the quantity if they need multiple servers. Lastly, it's important to note that bundles are available on templates. So you can build out your bundles in advance, put them on your templates, and easily quote very simplified line items that are easy for your end customer or prospect to understand and will speed up your quote to cash process. If you want more details, book a demo and learn more about bundles. Happy quoting.